Hey yogis, I'm here to tell you about Asanas For You, a new digital class sequencing tool and online manual. Sequencing is a true passion of mine and one that I have always loved to share. Finally, I've been able to bring these creative sequences to life in the digital world. Asanas For You allows you to create a new sequence in minutes. Sequence toward a peak pose like crow or wheel, a specific chakra, or even a theme like energizing or balancing. This design process is so quick and easy, and it's actually so much fun. It means freeing up the hours you may be spending on notating classes or struggling if you are feeling uninspired in your creation process. Once the sequence is designed, it is stored in a cloud that will live on any smartphone. Personally, I teach on the go quite a bit, and so to pull up one of these already designed classes on the phone has been a dream. So head over to asanasforyou.com and check it out. We can't wait to hear what you think.